In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're collaborating with a team or organizing your own projects, being able to seamlessly attach documents can dramatically improve your workflow. We'll dive into two straightforward methods, drag and drop, and using a shareable link. First, let's start with the drag and drop method, which is incredibly intuitive. You'll want to open up your Microsoft Loop workspace by heading over to loop.microsoft.com. Upon landing on your home page, navigate to the specific page where you want the document to be attached. Once you've opened that page, you can prepare to bring in your document. All you need to do is locate the file on your desktop or within your file folder. With that file in view, click and hold the document, then simply drag it over to your Loop page. Once you're happy with its position, just release it, and just like that, you've dropped it onto your page. Microsoft Loop takes it from here, automatically uploading the file and displaying it as an attachment. This method is quick and visually straightforward, keeping your page organized and rendering your file immediately accessible to your team members. Now let's discuss the second method, using a shareable link. This is particularly handy if you're working with cloud-stored documents. Start by obtaining the shareable link for your file. Make sure that the permissions are set correctly so anyone who needs to view or edit the document can do so. After you've copied that link, head back to your Loop page. Click on the exact spot where you want to insert the document and simply paste the link there. Loop will then auto-detect that it's a link and embed it as a clickable preview or card. This not only makes the document easily accessible, but also integrates it into your workspace in a visually tidy way. Using either of these methods enables effective integration of documents into your Loop workspace, enhancing productivity and collaboration. The drag and drop makes adding files effortless when you have direct access to them, bringing them onto the page as standard attachments. The shareable link method offers a streamlined approach for cloud-stored documents, providing a seamless link within your Loop environment. No matter which method suits your needs best, Microsoft Loop is equipped to handle your documents smoothly, keeping information flowing and your projects organized efficiently. Experiment with both methods to see which integrates best with your workflow, and enjoy the increased productivity that comes with streamlined document management.